Y'all, I might have gone too far. And let's just say my June sewing plan is looking real chaotic. Okay? Like, somebody please come take this rotary cutter from me. And I mean, scissors and rotary cutter. Come take it from me because, like, I'm diving into this whole June sewing plans head first. And guess what? I'm bringing y'all along with me. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and look at my June sewing plans. Let's go. Hey, you guys. Happy. Today is Monday. Today is June 2nd. And I am in the lab today because I have two patterns that I'm going to be cutting. I am actually going to be batch cutting quite a bit of projects for this month, the month of June. And yeah, I'm not going to take too long to do introduction, but this is the first pattern that I'm going to be cutting tonight. It's Butterick 6816. So let's go ahead and get it cut. And then I have another one that I'm going to cut. I have like 3 patterns that I need to cut tonight. So let's go ahead and cut at least 2 out tonight. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it now. First up, Butterick 6816, a button front top with a band collar and sleeve variation. Now this one is going head to head in the battle of the shirt or shirt dress, but with a twist. We're doing a battle of the collars. Are you team rounded out or are you team stand it up? Stand up? Okay. It's easy to sew, but the drama is in the styling. So watch out for this one. All right.
I look like money, baby. Yeah, you can catch me where it's sunny, baby. Yeah, if you talking that, you better run me, baby. Yeah, all my haters, they wanna be some me, baby. But I never give them this, I just go and cop that. Anything that I rock, they be asking me, where'd you get that? Passing 5 checks, cause I'm a vibe, yes. I'm so fly, I got them so pressed, yeah. Face card killing, aesthetically pleasing. Watch the fit, I be killing hoes, really. Peep the acrylics, I'm shining, I'm beaming. Any given day, I be starting on you bitches. Wow, I got that wow. Anything that I wanna make.
Next, I'm finally cutting into Butterick 7012, the pants. Full length, pleated front, fly front zipper, waistband, belt loops, you name it. She's given structure. So I'm using a linen blend I got from Joann's, and if you missed my fabric haul video, I'll link that video right up here and also in the description box below. This one is rated as average, but with pants, we all know the fit is everything, okay?
I want you to be mine all alone for all.
Simplicity 3002, a button front blouse with a collar, shaped hem, and those chef kiss inverted pleats on the sleeves, baby. I already made this in an animal print and loved it. Now I'm bringing it back in solid black poly cotton that I picked up from Walmart. Yes, don't sleep on Wally World. And if you want a closer look or sew along, I got you. It's all linked below, and I'll put it on the end screen just in case you want to see that video. All right.
Do-si-do, gather round. Me and my squad gon' run this town. Crank this up, that's my sound. Turn this whole club upside down. 1 foot out, 1 foot in. Wiggle your shoulders and do a little spin. All night long with all my friends. Tomorrow we gon' do it all over again. What's shaking? Show no. Just got paid, mama, what's up? I'm too blessed, no love. I'm way up, I'm stuck. Feeling good tonight. I came out with the hood tonight. Which one of y'all boys would tonight? Might just do a little jug tonight. Tryna get bad like ABC. Count digits like 1, 2, 3. Want the benefits, just say please. Wanna talk to the boss, you can send them straight up to me. I'm tapped in, they watching. I'm in here, they not in. Which crib, babe? I got options. Got a brand new dance for you locked in. Tell them what's up. Go gather around. Me and my squad gon' run this town. Crank this up, that's my sound. Turn this whole club upside down. 1 foot out, 1 foot in. Wiggle your shoulders and do a little spin. All night long with all my friends. Tomorrow we gon' do it all over again. Like do-si-do, gather around. Me and my squad gon' run this town. Crank this up, that's my sound. Turn this whole club upside down. 1 foot out, 1 foot in. Wiggle your shoulders and do a little spin. All night long with all my friends. Tomorrow we gon' do it all over again.
Sliding in next is Simplicity 9756. I didn't forget, I'm not spoiling all the tea on this one yet, but just know she's in the rotation and she's coming to slay. You'll see her styled soon, okay? And by the way, this is Sew Your View this month in the month of June, so I didn't know that until yesterday, but I cut this out a few days ago. All right. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Okay, now for something a little more curated, my 5-piece minimalist collection, and I'm challenging myself to post daily for week 25. That's June 16th through 22nd. So the pieces, let's get into it. Simplicity 3105. I'm using this beautiful Ankara fabric for the pants. I shared that with you guys in my batch cutting video for the minimalist collection. I'll put it up here so you're able to see it. The second pattern is Butterick 6933. Both the jacket and the pants in this bold black and white stripes. I also shared that in that video as well. You might remember I introduced this video back in March. So if you need a recap, that video is also linked in the description box below. So yeah, June is going to be chaotic. Let's just face it, from Battle of the Shirt Dress, the pants fitting, the minimalist collection that I'm going to be rolling out in week 25. So stay tuned for that. But like, if you're doing any sewing whatsoever, take the journey with me, live sewing alongs and all that good stuff. If you're new here, give me a thumbs up on this video, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what patterns are you most interested in me sewing. And go tag your sewing bestie. Share this video with your sewing bestie. Why not? Okay? And do what's free, and that's subscribe. Until next time, keep sewing.